Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with just a quick little share. I've done a small little happy birthday package for one of my crafty friends, lives here locally, and I've done it with the Hooray collection from from Cray Paper. And so I did make her a pocket letter. I've used the ephemera and I've popped some of them up. I've used the sticker pack. I've added these jemmies. I've used some of the washi tape. And so it's just a mini pocket letter. Just the 3. And then I did include some goodies on the back side. And then I just made her this little birthday card so she can reuse it with my stamp. And then I'm also sharing some paper and cutouts from the collection as well. So I hope that she has a very happy birthday. And yeah, hope you guys are having a great crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!